In this video, we will create this 5-step animated infographic. To create this infographic, we cannot use image of a bulb as it won't be editable and there is no editable image available in PowerPoint library. Hence we will be creating one. To start, add a circle shape. Add a rounded corners rectangle and place it below the circle. Select both the shapes and align them center. Next, under Shape Format option, select Union option under Merge Shape. This will make both shapes as one image. Add a circle shape, make it oval and place it at the bottom. Ensure that there are no gaps between shapes. Remove outline of circle by selecting Shape Outline as None. Create a duplicate using Ctrl+D and place it on the other side. Select both the circles and align them to middle. Now select all the shapes, go to Shape Format, select Merge Shape menu and select Fragments option. Delete all the fragments that are not required. Select all the left out fragments and mark them Union under Merge Shape menu. Create duplicate shape of the bulb. Change the fill color for identification. Reduce the size of one shape and place it at the center of main shape. Select both the bulb shapes and align them center to each other. Add a rounded corner rectangle shape. Place it at the bottom of bulb shape. Remove the outline by marking outline as None. Drag the yellow dot to make it complete rounded. Adjust the width of rectangle shape so that it is same as width of bulb's bottom. Add rectangle shape. Adjust the width so that we can have 5 rectangles stacked over each other. We will have a step-down flow for rectangles. Adjust the width of rectangles accordingly. Select the font design and size so that it matches rectangle height. Select the number and the rectangle shape in front. Go to Shape Format option. Select Merge Shape menu and select Fragment. Fragments of the number will be merged using Union option in Merge Shape, and color of respective rectangle will be updated from the palette. Follow the same steps for all the numbers. Adjust the size of icons if required.